Hello, everybody. This is maingay. But hey, how you guys doing? Uh, ang ingay. Cut ko na lang. May dumana jeep. So, yeah, okay na. This is journal entry number 1, day 1. It's May 10, 2024. And actually, good morning, by the way. Good morning. My name is Naljin, and now I'm gonna talk about my college. I feels like this video seems like a nice thing to do kasi ang dami na nangyayari sa college life ko na kung saan na parang it all spices up into one thing. No discipline. Discipline for me is something that I've been struggling with since I was in high school. I only ask, ay hindi, discipline. Para kasing ang hirap niyang gawin for me. Like, hindi ko alam kung ano, kung bakit, but deep down, like, I feel like na when I feel like disciplined enough or feel like doing what needs to be done, I always get distracted by my mind, or in some cases where I would see myself staring at my computer screen where all set up, but every time na parang I would do it, I would just be distracted by certain things. Like, like social media, scrolling, uh, drink water, you know, and most of the time na parang kapag, kapag nandun ako sa point na, uy, gagawin ko na ito, dapat ko na gagawin. I, I always do it on the last minute. That's where yung brain cells ko gumagana. And I think that what I'm learning here today or what I'm seeing here today is that kung hindi ko nagawa, then I would feel like I feel obligated or kaya to be pressured not just by the task but I'm pressuring myself not to do it. And right now actually dapat nga mag-walking ako with someone else like around 4 a.m. but hindi ko nagawa kasi I overslept. Uh, I mean, puyat ako. Puyat ako na kung saan na parang talagang hindi. And apparently, kailangan ko sabihin sa kanya na hindi ko nagawa kasi parang hindi ko nasamahan siya mag-walking. So anyway, right here, I'm right now seeing this na parang yung discipline na meron ako, it's somehow na parang not enough or kaya out of place sa dapat kong gawin. And in some way na parang bang, uy, dapat ganito, ganyan. Like, I feel like na parang, I have, I have to do this, I have to do that. Pero hindi ganun yung mentality ko. Like, every time na parang pag gagawin ko yung isang bagay, nangyayari is parang, nangyayari is parang, I just do it for the sake of doing it or to accomplish a thing, but not to the point where, well, obviously that's the case, no? Parang ganun, that's most of the tasks are parang, I feel like na parang, I always put walls on myself in achieving something. Like the small wins doesn't even matter to me. Like I don't reflect on it. I don't reward myself or kaya like I always doubt myself, my capabilities as a person. Feel like why I'm doing it because like uh right now I don't have the answer yet, but that's why I'm here. Sitting with you guys in the morning, like reflecting on it, and I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Just just for a sense of um clarity within me, and also sayang naman yung binili kong mic. Ayun. Ayun, kaya I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I didn't have the discipline to do it, you know. I just it just when I want to do something and for like instance like a task na parang deadline pa is sobrang tagal. Then ayun nga, like you know all alam mo yun naman yung word na yun, parang procrastination and all, parang yun. But there's more to it. Eh. Like I'm the type of person for looking for something more. Kasi malalim ako mag-isip. I'm a deep thinker which is not necessarily the case na kung saan kapag kapag kailangan ng ng when something has to be done on right, like right now, like I'm realizing that there's a right way to do a job there, and there's an effective way to do the job. I'm more like like if you know all the parang I'm more like the path of least resistance. And some some people would read notes and then read out loud or kaya, pero ako parang ay parang I feel like na parang gusto kong to have study techniques to do before, like studying or kaya watching the lecture video and all that. But right, but that's what I'm saying. I don't have the discipline. Discipline is a really difficult word for me. I mean, like hard to swallow, I guess. Pero kapag andun ka na sa point na parang kailangan mo na gawin yung task, task natin, naisip ko lang na parang I have no choice. Kapag kasi na andun na ako sa na nangyayari na kapag ayun like walang walang ibang gagawa ng mga bagay na dapat gawin kundi like na parang do it for me at least na ayun. So ah this is just an improv, by the way. As you can see na I'm just scrolling down, just picking out the words that I want to say at the moment. But one thing is for sure that I need discipline. I have to have discipline. Not because that not because that not because the my professor says, and some of you might hear this among yourself when you're having to self improve. It's all for you. It's all for you to do this thing. It's all for you to graduate. It's all for you. Para sa'yo lahat. Because no one's gonna help you but you. And it's kind of sad anecdote or sad thing for me to realize that. So yeah, but I'm not gonna say na what's the point of not having someone. But hey, yun nga, like out of topic actually, na parang eh, this is just me, but I don't want to. I just want to focus on the discipline part of within me. Na I'm capable naman. Meron lang mga times na parang yeah, circumstances like for example, like, external circumstances na ayoko sa bahay, ayoko sa bahay mag-aral. And that's why right now parang gusto ko dito magdala ng table tapos dito ako mag-aaral or what. And it's kind of like, like just parang change of environment and yun nga. Pero ayun, I don't have the discipline to do it. I don't have parang I'm not motivated enough. Motivated, like ayun. And sa akin na parang nakita ko na parang shit, I feel sad. And I think the reason why na I don't have discipline or parang nakikita ko sarili ko na hindi ako capable because I always feel like pressuring myself, just like I said. And also to the extent where I have to receive feedback or criticism among people, or I criticize myself to the extent na hindi ko nagagawin kasi natakot ako. Natakot ako mag-fail. Natakot ako. But na-realize ko lang kahapon when I speak to my guidance counselor that estudyante ako. Estudyante ako. I must learn, kailangan kong magkamali para matuto. Pero hindi ako matututo kung hindi ako magkakamali. Ha? Binaligtad ko lang. Because change is very hard for me to do. Ang pagbabago. Ayun nga sa akin. Not wanting to have what you want, it's far more dangerous than not doing what you love the most, what you value the most. And I think I just saw this like um we must put value on the things that we want to do, the things that we need to do so that we can do it. Because people don't care actually. People don't care. Like people don't care about how it is how important it is. Like how it would say na I did this, then I take pride in this. But I did this thing like I don't take pride on the things that I have done. And it's kind of ironic, isn't it? Like I want discipline, but like do the things that I want, passionate about, and like mahirap. Actually, akin, I think my, I think how I would overcome it is by saying na I can do it. Positive reinforcement. Let me, strong word, positive reinforcement. Like, yung parang, yun nga, nandun ako sa point na parang, oh, okay, I have to love, parang, right now for me, positive reinforcement. Okay, I have to value this. I have to say na if I do this, then my future would be this. No, there's a sense of like there's a sense of accomplish, sense of parang drive to say na I did this. Yeah, and yeah, I mean I don't know what how much time do I have left, but hey, I'm just here, and I'm be posting this on YouTube. Then I don't gonna be cliche about it, cringe about it. Just it's me, it's my life. So I decided to do it. So parang I just have to stay consistent. Yun nga, I also lack consistent, but it really boils down to my discipline as a person. Na ayun, ayun sa akin. Ang ganda lang isipin na parang I'm doing this kasi Um, I've been seeking advice for the rest of my life, but there's no change. So right now, if I'm gonna if I'm gonna sum it all up, na it's time that I have to choose myself first and my happiness and what I want, what I'm passionate about, and obviously that I've been away to God. So I'm also a Christian, but also like there are certain arguments or I'm self doubting myself about how God would bless me because I did this and done that. Or kaya na like I can't divas have the Bible says that seek first his kingdom and all these things will be added to you. So if I seek him right now, I oh yeah, before I seek him sometimes. But here's the thing, here's my issue na parang I'm impatient enough to see the work in him. Hindi ko makita. Naiinip ako. And it's nice actually. Nothing else matters. I feel like God is saying lumapit ka sa akin. Come to me, son. Ayun. And I think that's all for today. For today's video. So I guess yeah, uh, again my name is Naljin, a psych major whose name is actually from a bottle. And I would say again, my name may duman. Again, my name is Najin Senase. A name where it came from a bottle, and I would say that I'm like an ocean. Uh, Again, my name is Najin Senase. A name came from a bottle, and I would say that I'm a bottle, always filling up what's inside, but sometimes not pouring out what's what's left behind. Again, thank you everyone, and I hope you have a good day. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Uh, Thank you for listening. Ciao. Thank you for listening.